Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Sagar and today I'm going to do this hair and makeup tutorial that I'm inspired by Ming from Turning Red Animation. If you're interested in hair or makeup tutorial, please subscribe to my channel. And without any further ado, let's go. I'm starting with priming my skin with a primer. It's going to smooth my skin and pores and also fine lines. Then I'm using a sheer coverage concealer under my eye area. Then I'm going to blend it well. This technique is good for people who had a dark circle around the eyes. I'm using a sheer coverage foundation. I'm going to write every detail in the description box. This foundation is for daily uses and had a SPF. I'm using a full cover concealer for brightening my under eye area and my bridge of nose. Then I'm using a brow soap to put my brow in place. Mimi had a round shape eye and I'm trying to create this eye look. I'm going to use a medium brown on my whole eye area. With a pencil brush, I'm creating a round shape around my eye crease and then I'm going to blend it well. It's going to give a more round shape look. And I'm using a little bit shimmery color on my middle part of eye. I'm using a cake liner because it's so easy to work with. I'm starting by inner corner to outer corner of my eye and the thickness of eyeliner is same. I'm not going to wing this eyeliner because it's going to create a round shape. I'm using eyebrow shadow to fill my brows. Then I'm using a red color